as women, we take care of everyone else because we were never really taught how to take care of ourselves. So let me ask you one thing. When was the last time you took care of yourself? Not your child's lunch, not your family's dinner, but you. Because the answer is simple. When we stop prioritizing ourselves, our health suffers. So welcome back to my channel, Healthy Eats with Priya. On this channel, I share simple practical ways to stay healthy even with super busy lives. My name is Priya. I'm a working mom and my daughter is 9 years old. My day is full of work between work, school drop-offs and pickups and everything in between, juggling motherhood and career. I am super busy. And this is why I started this channel, to reach out to millions of women like you who are managing multiple things at once. And the goal is simple, that yes, even with busy lives, we can manage our health. Because I truly believe that healthy women are powerful women. So on this International Women's Day, I want to talk about something super important on how to stay healthy and how to prioritize our own well-being by following 3 simple habits. Let's dive right into the video. Now, before I share these 3 habits with you which truly changed my life, I just want to share my personal story. I was a bit overweight, bloated, low on energy, and honestly not very comfortable with my body. Because like many of us, I was not prioritizing my health. I would grab whatever that came to my hand, I would skip meals, I would just eat whenever I had to. There was no structure, and I felt like slowly my health was going down. And then I knew something had to change. And I started following these 3 simple habits that not only changed my body, my energy levels, my confidence, but I even went and participated in a beauty pageant and I won the pageant, Mrs. Bharat USA Elite 2022. And that is the power of choosing your own health over anything else. So let me talk about the 3 habits that truly changed my life. Structured meals, movement, mindfulness. So habit number 1. Structured eating. To me, this is one of the habits that has truly changed my life, my energy levels, because even though I was eating healthy before for the most part, I had a very bad habit of grazing and snacking throughout the day. Even if it's like few nuts here or few fruits here, anything that comes to my hand between school drop-offs and pickups, between meetings. And I thought, hey, I'm just eating healthy. How can it really hurt my body? Because you know what, every time when you're snacking or grazing, your body releases insulin, and every time insulin is released, your body stores fat instead of burning it. So I decided that, hey, I am going to completely stop my habit of grazing, and now I follow 4 structured meals. Yes, 4 structured meals. Breakfast, lunch, meal 3, which is also a full meal, and then dinner. And all my meals from breakfast to dinner, I have a simple rule: protein first. All my meals, I target to have about 25 to 30 grams of protein, lots of fiber, healthy fats, and healthy carbs. I believe in balanced, structured meals, and especially as busy working mom, you want to fuel your body. So I don't deny food to myself, but my body knows that I have a timing for a meal and I'm allowed to eat and fuel my body only during those times. So if you've been following my channel and you've seen my recipes, all my recipes are focused on healthy, delicious meals which are easy to prepare, super high protein, and like I said, balanced carbs and fats. And once you start eating those kind of meals, you realize that you're satisfied, you're not hungry. I do not crave any snacks, not even like one nut or one piece of fruit in between. That's how much I've trained my body. And trust me, if you follow this habit, you're going to see that within weeks, your energy levels are going to be better. You're going to just be so happy because now you're not constantly thinking about food. So it's a win-win. So that brings us to the habit number 2, which is movement. We can never underestimate the importance of movement. And when I say movement, I'm not talking about spending crazy hours in the gym or doing intense workout like CrossFit or anything crazy. All I'm saying is take out 60 minutes of a day in your life to move. So there are days when I'm like really busy and all I do is walk. I aspire to do about 10k steps a day and it is really helping my body and my mind. Other than that, being a woman in my 40s, I also focus a lot on weight training. I think weight training is super important for anyone because it builds muscles and muscles burns more calories. Other than that, I also like to do yoga once or twice a week depending on my schedule because it really brings me calm and peace. So yeah, I believe movement for everyone, it is a necessity. If we are just sitting and having a sedentary lifestyle, we'll always feel like, oh my God, we are so tired, we have no energy. And you're gonna see that when you actually get up and start working out, after the workout, you'll feel energetic and happy. And also to add to this, I believe what movement does to you is also make you very mindful. Which brings us to the habit number 3, which is mindfulness. So you may ask me, Priya, what is mindfulness? So mindfulness is very, very easy. Mindfulness is being present in whatever you're doing. For instance, today I'm filming this video for you. I am present in this very moment completely. I spoke about structured meals. When I am eating, I am completely present in the moment of eating. My mind is not rushing, I'm not on the go. I'm taking that time, I'm giving myself permission to be present and enjoy my meal. Other than that, like I try to be mindful in every area of my life, whether it's spending time with my daughter, listening to what she's saying in my work meetings. I believe that when you're mindful, it shows you in such a different light. People respect you and success automatically comes to you. Even when I'm walking, I practice mindfulness. I don't have my AirPods. I put my phone on airplane mode and I am just being mindful of my feelings. I literally like spend that time with myself. Also to me, mindfulness gives you a growth mindset and we all need that growth mindset because if you just want to be happy where you are, is that the life you want to live? Not really. So yes, when you practice mindfulness, you're going to see super positive changes happening in your body. And if you start doing that, I would love to hear from you. So do leave your comments below on what changes it will bring to your life. So to conclude this video on this International Women's Day, I want to tell each and every woman watching this video, your health is not a luxury, it is a priority. No matter where you are in your journey, take that first step. I know taking the first step is the hardest thing you'll do because we all have resistance. But trust me, when you take that first step, you're going to see everything falling in place for you. And the 3 habits that have changed my life and what I've shared in this video is super easy, super practical. We're not doing crash diets, we're not doing fat diets. We are just incorporating structure and mindfulness and movement to our lives. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with other women. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos and I'll come back with the next one. Bye!